Crude oil WTI has seen a drop earlier till yesterday till towards 81.4, 81.3 zone. We have discussed several times that is a great support zone, and it has precisely shown a recovery from the same levels and now staying above 82. At the same time, my favorite natural gas has stayed bullish. It is now again back to 2.9. So what to expect today from crude oil and natural gas? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every like, every comment is a great inspiration and motivation for me. I do not ask for more, but just a like button and every comment is a great appreciation and motivation. So do press the like button, do share and support as well. That's always a great support. With that, let's start. And yes, pressing the bell icon is something which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. I share twice a day update on oil and gas here. So second update will be released before the US session. You can also join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Now look at the hourly charts on crude. You can observe, see lower highs. See, after forming lower highs, there is a flat top is seen. So 82.6, certainly we had discussed yesterday also, it's a great resistance. And any move above 82.6 now is an opportunity for you to buy here and expect it to rise. Now, yesterday also one thing we discussed that a sell entry below 81.8, and again I stick to the same. You can sell at 81.8, expect 81.4, 81.3 levels. But let's observe more in detail. See, the stochastic here is retraced, now trying to look downwards, while MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI almost flat. Coming to 2 hours. On the 2-hour chart, there is a bearish crossover here between the 20 and 50 period moving average. So this is going to be the stronger resistance zone, and any move above 82.6 is where you can buy, where one can expect it to rise more till towards 83, 83.2 zone. That is a great resistance. Beyond that, we can expect it to fly high again. Now see what it has done. Lower, let me show you something. See, first of all, lower highs, lower lows were seen, and if you create a channel out of this, there is a strong probability for oil to achieve this zone once again, that is 80, 83.2 zone, 83 levels. This is going to be the next toughest resistance for oil to break past by, because beyond that it should be treated for a reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has almost hit a bottom. Now it has crossed over, trading with divergence. This calls for a bullishness. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, if you look at 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, and see breakout of this channel, it can try to achieve this zone and create another parallel channel. So be watchful. It can try to reverse a bit. I will recommend you to buy here at 82.6. That is a great resistance on the upside. Stochastic flat. MACD. See, MACD has hit a bottom, trying to converge a bit. Let's wait for a crossover for a buy entry. RSI is almost flat. On the 4-hour charts at the same time, now look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, we have seen a flat bottom is seen. It is trying to reverse here. Possibly we may see 82.6, 82.5 levels, and beyond that more bullishness. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Crossover for a buy entry. RSI almost flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, an important point is the previous candle was a swing candle here. Now on this swing candle, see, it could try to again, this candle also could be swing. It has to just stay above this zone, that is 82 because once it creates higher highs, that is the time at which it will decide which direction it wants to take. Any break beyond 83 is a good sign. 80, 83.2 is a good sign for the bulls out there. Possibly beyond that, we may see a reversal. We have to watch out for 83, 83.2 zone on the upside. Now another point to note here is the divergence of the price from the moving average, which is staying far below, and also the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence here. So it may try to consolidate here. If it is not bullish, if it is not bearish, it may try to consolidate here. Wait for the moving averages to come up. Stochastic has dropped. MACD. Now important thing is the MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. This crossover is coming at a higher levels. We have seen this. It could replicate this for a while. We have to be careful here. A drop is certain in the coming sessions for crude oil. We have to be watchful. RSI is also dropped here. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell oil today at 81.8. Expect 81.4 as the first support levels, very strong support levels, and then 81. Remember, 81 and 80, these are the two levels which oil has to break. This is a great support levels. Below 80, it will try to hit 77 this time. You have to be careful, you have to be cautious. When I say 77, it is not necessarily that it is going to achieve in one day, but yes, it can take couple of days or the week for it to achieve those levels. On the upside, 83, you can buy at 82.6, but then 83, 83.2 is what it has to break past by. Then 83.6, the next resistance, and beyond that only we should treat this for a reversal. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas, and before that I have couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th mentorship batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the hourly charts. See, first of all the drop there, and after consolidating here it is now trying to trade in this channel. So any move about 2.92, any move about 2.92 stay long. We are looking at $3 levels again. Now see, first resistance at 2.96, then $3 levels. This is the hurdle it has to break past. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, what it has done here is, see, first base here at 2.84, then 2.87, and now this is trading bullish here with the support at 2.87. It is trying to trade bullish here. It may try to achieve 2.9192 levels. Beyond that, further bullishness may prevail. Yes, it is giving a breakout here. It may continue its upward journey. Be careful. I am very bullish on natural gas in the near term. Stochastic here is overbought. It can continue its overbought journey. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, similar observation, support is now seen at 2.587 levels. Only below 2.87 and 84 is where the bears will take over. Else, we are going to look forward to an increasing bullish candles in natural gas from here. Stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Only worry is the stochastic getting overbought here, but then it can continue because see, MACD is already trading oversold. Now look at 3-hour charts, third green candle. I will definitely observe till 2.92 levels. Beyond that, 2.96 and 3, these are the two milestones. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD crossing over here for a buy, trading with divergence. You can see this, and it can continue on the upside. RSI looking upwards. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, consistent 4 green candle. Now see, it is trying to give a breakout here, and hence this breakout may continue for a while till towards $3 levels possibly. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD, see, MACD has seen the first wave. It is now resuming its second wave here, and it may try to achieve higher highs. RSI is also trying to trade bullish. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, you can clearly see the previous candle had a tail and a good green body, and it has got a flat closing there at the top. This candle has also started flat. Once it starts and once it trades about 2.92, then we can expect 2.96 and in fact $3 levels. It can try to attempt and achieve $3 levels in a hurry before it looks over to take a direction. Stochastic has dropped, now trading flat. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish. After forming the double bottom, it is continuing its journey on the upside. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.92 and sell at 2.86 level. Or rather, you can sell at 2.87 itself, but then 2.84 is the first resistance and 2.8 is the next resistance. 2.8, if it breaks, then only we should treat that the bears are back, and specifically 2.76 has to be breached. We have discussed that several times. 2.76 has to be breached in order to confirm the bearishness. So yes, you can also buy at 2.91 itself. See, this selling entry has to be about 2.91. You can buy at 2.91, expect 2.9596 and $3 levels there. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. 2.91 if you are buying, remember 2.9596 first target, $3 is the next target. At $3, we will see how it behaves. Accordingly, we will decide the direction for natural gas. Though I am still bullish, we can expect it to in fact hit 3.2 in the near future very soon. And on the downside, only below 2.8 now, the bears will take over and where we can expect a further drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Each and every action is important and always a great motivation and support and inspiration for me. And yes, first invest in your learning, which can bring or reap profits for you for lifetime. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Book your seats now itself. reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, you can also be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.